resemblance.
Okay. Will be 71.
Yeah.
For return, huh?
Yeah, return. Yeah.
71.
Oh, you have to insert.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to put it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's over 50.
At some spot, it's lovely down here. It's class.
Nice.
Very
today.
nice weather
You're
yesterday.
lucky because today's calm.
Yeah, it's calm. Yeah.
Sun, maybe sun come.
I see when you're coming over here some of the times with Charlotte at the moment. I say, I'm not going on it. I'm not going.
All time like that, but
Yeah.
except today.
Okay, yeah.
Today,
We picked the proper day.
yeah.
We're lucky.
Thank you.
Cheers, man.
We need that coming back.
Yeah. Oh, I think you'll remember me.
Thank you. Mommy, yeah, 17 kids. Me and Mom and Big were right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, well, obviously, yeah. Oh, wait, Charlie, it's for real, man. What's the thing? And ask them for popcorn. There's no popcorn. Yeah, give it a mind that, yeah. Man, give it a mind that. You said the very calm day today. You said any other day, you said you're in trouble. Charlie, look. Mom, look. He's coming in the bus. Mom, we're sinking. Mom. I just have to get it there. What's sinking? Charlie, in the class. Huh? You like it? That's cool. Look at the sun coming in. Look at it there. Look at it this side.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Dude, look at it this side.
We're in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean.
Got me. This is Charlotte goes every day all night. Huh? I tell you, she's here. If that sun man hit me, it's like a fucking hit. You see the shit last night? There's the sun. Yeah, that's nice. Let's get the balls. Brother, let's get the balls off here. Please, now. Please. Tell me. I'm 2 pieces apart in the window. I can't find them. It's fucking freezing. Good dog. Hold on. I'm 2 pieces apart. It's not to be. It's freezing.
Oh, it's good. We're on a boat. So tired, guys. Guys, I'm literally, it's 8:22. I woke up at like 7. I had to wake up at 7 to get on this boat. So I'm very tired.
That's hot as well.
Yeah,
It's wet.
guys. Like,
Yeah.
That's because last time was
From the rainbow. And the stew. See all the water in the sky here?
Yeah.
Loads of water in the sky here.
Now look at the sunset. No, I meant the sunrise. Oh my gosh. We're almost, guys, is that? See the island? Dad, is that the island? Oh, I can hold
Sit
on.
there, sit there.
No.
Sit there.
That's
Yeah.
Charlotte's Island.
Yeah, one of them is Charlotte's over there, look. Did I ever see
Yeah,
that?
you see the line? It's the first one on the line of White House.
Guys, it's like going on a scavenger hunt.
You see the line there?
Yeah.
That's hers.
Guys, I'm standing up. We're standing up. Lauren, say hi to the people. I'm going to see the shadows. Where's the bed? Where's the bed? Yo, guys.
There's some cell phones here. Do you know that? There's some cell phones
You
here.
don't need to hold on to me.
There they are.
That's right there beside you, please.
Yo, the captain's room. Yo, that's backwards. That's where we were. But now, guys, now we're all over here. You see? We're all over here. So, and by the way, my dad's niece, she goes on this boat basically every day. So, yeah. Wow! Yeah, my balance.
Oh, that's smart. That's fucking alright. I think that's cool.
The island.
There's only a lot of bottles getting chopped and getting over and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's the only thing. I do this. But I would love, if I was a single man, I'm not a single man, if I didn't have you, if I was on my
Nanny,
own, I didn't have you.
do you want to be on YouTube? No. You want to say hi? Huh? You want to say hi? Those people go watch me. There you are. Guys, if you like the boat right here, just bend. Guys, there's no hand. Guys, that's not my dad's island. But there's one island. I swear, that's one of the guys we have. Hey, Lauren. Lauren.
today. Lily. Yeah, she told me that. Didn't you? Oh, yeah. Shane! Shane! I'm not going today.
Huh?
I'm not going. I'm Lily. You're Lily. Whoa, I'm a little Lily. There's a couple. What?
You know, there's like someone else like like over there. There's this like all the way over there. Yeah, because if you see that light thing, that means you're in the middle of the ocean. What? You know that light I see a shark. Yeah, there is, Lauren. I saw it one. Guys. God, no, it's a basket shark. They're nice. Guys, we're on the Atlantic Ocean. However. I captured the shark, I think. On the YouTube.
Why are you little for? Why are you little man? Here, look at McDonald's here, look.
Charlie, look at my son. Big air.
Look at big apple, something's head.
Where?
To the side of that head, huh?
Big like that.
The class, isn't it?
Yeah.
The captain, look at the captain in there, look. Huh? He's the man there, look at the man. Yeah, man, he's the ball. Yeah.
Bruh.
Huh? Sure. No, you bet. Yeah, you run. You run. Yeah. Yeah, look.
There's no. There's no.
I can only tell, look.
Bro, so where?
Look! Lauren, McDonald's!
That's not the beach there. Look, that's not.
Wait, there's another boat. There's another boat. Guys, come here! Guys, I just captured a shark!
Alright, time, sit down. Actually, sit down. My time. Sit down.
I just captured a shark over there. So I did. Guys, can you go see that boat over there? There's a shark. Come here, Lauren. Do you want to see a shark? Come here, look. Look at my thing. Show me, Charlie. I can't.
There's no shark, you bimbo.
No, oh my gosh. I'm not a bimbo. You come over here. You can't see it because you're blind.
Don't fall on Charlie. Let's take the fence. Yeah, go on. Put your phone in your pocket. Well guys, this is the end of the video.
Guys, this is the end of the video. I'll see you all in the next video.